How to add the Chrome Dino Game widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on the Edit button. After that, tap on Add Widget. Now in here, you want to scroll down and then tap on Chrome. Next, swipe to the left until you see it's a Chrome Dino Game. Then tap on Add Widget. And from here, we can tap on Done. Now, when you are bored or if you're waiting during an appointment, you can tap on the Chrome Dino widget to start playing. So here, tap the Dino to start play. And that's it. So quite handy when you are sitting at a doctor's appointment and you're waiting, so you can play the game, have fun, just like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.